Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna kikiam. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and prepared. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, thoroughly drained, along with 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of cornstarch. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 finely chopped onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 small grated carrot. Finally, have 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper on hand. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your well-drained tuna, the finely chopped onion, garlic, and carrot. Crack in your 2 eggs. Next, add the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together until it forms a cohesive mixture. Then, shape the mixture into small, log-like pieces, roughly 3 inches in length. It's time to cook. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place your shaped tuna kikiam into the hot oil. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, remove them and drain any excess oil on paper towels. Serve your delicious tuna kikiam hot with a sweet chili dipping sauce for the best experience. For any leftovers, store your tuna kikiam in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, an air fryer works wonderfully. Just 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit should do the trick. For a little extra flavor, try adding a pinch of chili flakes to your mixture next time. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.